Fisker stock is now trading just above that penny level. It's down big time this past week. The move comes after the company announced that it will be withdrawing financial forecasts. Most investors have exited this name as a zero, with the stock now trading on the pink sheets, as you can tell by the OTC. And it's unfortunate because I love Fisker's business model where they outsourced the manufacturing, which in theory should have lowered their cost, but due to high interest rates over the past couple of years, it just wreaked havoc on Fisker and other EV makers. But nevertheless, this is the monthly chart, and we do have a monthly seller's level. Look at that gap there. That is another monthly seller's level. And if you go to the daily chart, it's gap after gap after gap. Let's get into the news. So Fisker stock is perhaps one of the saddest stories we have seen from the multi-year bull run in EV stocks. Today, Fisker stock is plunging another 16% to a little more than 1 cent per share. Could be one of the most well-known penny stocks in the market. Despite an intriguing brand and well-priced electric SUV, Fisker's recent troubles have compounded. Various macro and sector-specific concerns have hit most EV makers in recent months. But for Fisker, a lack of funding and a delisting from the New York Stock Exchange has put the company in dire straits, with bankruptcy the only likely way out of this mess. Now, today's decline is yet another gut punch for Fisker stock investors, tied to news that the company has announced that it will withdraw its financial forecast and pursue options for the continuation of the business. In plain speak, this means bankruptcy is indeed on the table, and equity investors may ultimately be left with nothing at the end of the day. One of Fisker's last-ditch efforts to save its brand appears to be cutting prices across its models to create demand for its Ocean SUVs. We will have to see if there's any other announcements that come from this move, but it's hard to anticipate EV buyers considering the brand, knowing that it will likely go defunct and make everything from servicing to ordering parts next to impossible. So I'm sorry for all the bag holders who continue to hold this stock thinking that it was going to reverse. I think the inevitable was kind of written all over the charts. And let me know what you think. Is Fisker done, or will they be revived? Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.